Introduction to Bluehost web hosting. Bluehost is one of the world's leading web hosting services, providing shared, VPS, WordPress and cloud hosting solutions to businesses and individuals. The company was founded in 2003 with a mission to provide reliable web hosting that makes it easy for anyone to get online. Bluehost offers a wide range of features and tools that make it simple for customers to build an effective website or blog. These include domain registration, cPanel control panel access, unlimited storage space and bandwidth, as well as other advanced features such as Cloudflare integration. Additionally, customers can take advantage of their 24/7 customer support team who are always available to answer any questions or address any issues you may have. In terms of advantages, Bluehost provides its users with high-performance servers, which ensures fast-loading websites and blogs, several pricing plans which allow customers to choose the best option depending on their needs, great uptime guarantees so your site will be up when people visit it, secure server configurations thanks to their top-notch security measures, free domain registration for 1 year, free SSL certificate which is essential for boosting user confidence while visiting your website or blog, and much more.